Julia, do you have to go into the trees? No. It's so unnecessary. No, please. Please take a camera. Please. So 2 travel days, 2 days in Bangkok, and already I just lost like all the tan that I've gained over the past month. That's just really sad. It's time to get it back. 2 hours tanning session. Oh my god. Sunbathing is so tedious. That's nice. So it's been 3 days since we bought our drone in Bangkok, and we still haven't tested it out.
So the plan was today just find a nice beach and fly the drone.
So we've been driving around trying to find a quiet spot to do it. What we found instead...
I mean, it's like an elephant tourist attraction kind of,
yeah,
where you can ride the elephants, and I'm honestly shocked. I don't know, I kind of thought that it's so well known now that you at least should ride the elephants.
Here's an elephant.
To the ground.
He's chained to the ground. Poor elephants. We still have hope to find a quiet spot to fly the drone.
We don't want to hurt anyone, obviously.
We don't want to crash people. And I mean, I can imagine we're like the worst drone pilots ever.
We don't talk about me.
Especially Julia.
We're trying it at our resort now, or hotel, hostel, and we hope that no one's gonna stop us.
Hopefully. We're breaking the law here, guys.
Is it started? Ah, look at this!
Sound. So we finally managed to activate it, so hopefully now we can start flying it in a few minutes. We have a little bit better relation.
I can try?
You want to try? Okay, so Julia's gonna do her first flight. We actually said in a previous vlog that Julia has off flight duty, which is true, but she's gonna try now. Hi. Don't crash in the tree. So afraid. Julia, please. Away from the trees, please. Julia, do you have to go into the trees? No. It's so unnecessary. No, please. Are you serious? Please take a camera. Please. Oh, Jesus Christ. So it was stuck in a tree for a second, but we finally managed to get it back here safely. No harm done. Julia,
I guess I'm really off drone duty.
You're truly off drone duty now. I mean, you just proved it within 10 seconds that you're off drone duty.
I want to go over the sea.
It's ridiculous. Oh my god, that was the most stressful experience ever. There's low battery now. So we're just gonna go charge it, maybe have another try a little bit later. For now, we just need to calm down. So, it seems like we fucked up once again. And we just flew the drone without the memory card. Which means I think we don't have any footage. Not that it was amazing, but it was a little bit like fun to have the first flight and everything. We didn't capture that much of Julia's tree adventure. So we charged the batteries now and put in a SIM card, so we're hoping this is gonna help with everything, and we're ready to give it another go. Should we let Julia fly it again? Yeah, I guess she can give it another try. How proud are you? So yeah, it was a lot of fun flying the drone today. So we're leaving really early tomorrow, taking a bus slash minivan to Cambodia. Excited for that actually. So I think actually now we're just gonna enjoy one last sunset here at the viewpoint.
There's basically one really popular viewpoint in the national park and it is beautiful. Check it out.